Algebra 1-7, example number 2 coming up. So now notice there are two sets of parentheses in this second example here, but it is not the same kind of situation as in that first example. Okay, all right, there we go, sorry. Notice that first example, all we had going on there was multiplication. There wasn't anything in between those two parentheses. Over here, we don't have these two parentheses being multiplied. We clearly have that subtraction sign in between them. I still have distribution that I need to start with. That 4x needs to get multiplied by the negative 5y, so that's negative 20, and then x times y is just xy. 4x times 2 is a positive 8x. And then over here in my second set of parentheses, I've got that negative there, and we know that that's not just a floating negative, that has a negative 1. That's really a negative 1 out there that I've got to distribute to all three pieces inside that group, each one of those. So negative times the xy makes it negative, negative times the negative makes it positive 4y, and then minus 5x. Okay, so now I'm just combining like terms here. I have a 20xy that I can combine with this negative 1xy, sorry, a negative 20xy to get a negative 21xy. 8x minus 5x would give me a positive 3x. And then my plus 4y can just come down. Boom. Simplified. No more like terms. Good to go. Now, just remember one last thing. If these were switched, if this had a y first and then the x, that would still be considered like terms because of those that commutative property. 5 times 4 is the same thing as 4 times 5.